Hi, I'm Ms. Fraccioni,
I'm Mr. Brown.
and we are your child's math teacher. We teach classes 803, 804, and 807.
Ms. Fraccioni, math teacher, can be reached at tfraccioni@schools.nyc.gov. Me, Mr. Brown, I can be reached at mdebrown@schools.nyc.gov. The school's phone number is 718-904-5600. Please feel free to reach us.
So here's the school supply list that your student, your child, will need in order to succeed in math this year. They'll need a notebook of any kind. Spiral or composition are always the best too. Some students like to use loose leaf in a binder, but those loose leaf pages tend to fold out of the binders. So if they do, please buy the reinforced loose leaf pages so that they don't get lost, in addition to having the folders in there so that they don't lose their papers. Loose leaf and lots of graph paper. We'll be doing a lot of graphing this year. Always pencils. We don't use pens in math class. And please, extra erasers, those little pieces that they give you at the end of pencils, are just not enough. Rulers, because we'll be drawing lines with our graphing. Colored pencils or crayons or markers would be great. Definitely two different color highlighters. We do a lot of annotating in math class. And the box of tissues, any size, and we'll explain that in the project.
This year, we will be covering a couple of units. The first unit, which we've begun, is Unit 1, Expressions and Equations. Students will learn to solve equations using properties of equality. Students will learn to write and solve equations in real-world situations. We will be sending you this information when the unit begins. Please make sure you stay abreast of the units and the targets that we will be studying for the year.
In addition to those 6 units, we have the last 2 units of the year, which is transformational geometry and the Pythagorean theorem. Here we'll be doing a lot of activities hands-on with the students.
What to expect in math class this year? We expect the students to be on time. We have a bell to bell instruction. Pencils, like Fraccioni said, are permitted, not pens. Only pencils in math class. Have a pencil, an eraser, and a highlighter. We expect all students to come into class prepared and eager to work. Students will work individually or with a partner, and as always, 3 feet apart.
So the projects that we'll be doing this year, the box project and the menu challenges. So the tissue box project, they already came home with. Some students are already bringing in those boxes. It allows them to do some research on some mathematicians and some mathematics that we'll be studying this year. And of course, it also doubles as a supply of tissues for the students in the classroom for the year. The second is the menu challenge, and that's done in the classroom. So at the end of each unit, they're given a challenge. They're given an abundance amount of activities that are valued at all different points, and they choose which activities they want to do as long as it gives them 100 points in total. This will talk to the students at the end of each unit.
Important sites to know. Google Classroom. Please be familiar with Google Classroom. Pupil Path, that's where we record the students' grades. Other sites that we will use, quizzes.com, boomlearning.com, Edpuzzle, and iExcel. These are all websites that your student, your child will be using throughout the school year in math.
So that's the end of our presentation, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us. Have a great day.
Bye bye.